kind of is. How's it internet, as some of my friends might say? It's Daryl as a service. I'm trying out a new service. It's in beta. It's been around for a little while, it would seem. It's called Streamlabs OBS. It's built on open broadcast software, but it's got a number of different other features that combine to show followers, get sponsors. Yeah, basically I've been able to import everything that I do within OBS to this service, although there's a couple of things missing. I'm just trying out now the mobile app, so that does tend to, let's see if it's actually showing up on, looks like it's gone live. Hasn't been, oh there we go. Let me just show you, it is coming up on live there. So on my channel, of course, I've got what to watch next, but I've added the live now widget, so that's all good. It's just in this mobile app I'm not really seeing anything to go, right, I want to share this link. So trying this out, and there's a few things that I'm you know, not really, I think there's some missing for sure. Oh, whoa, I've just hit the alerts button and things have gone all funky. It's given me frame rates per second. What else is it giving me? If there were people joining me, then that would pop up. Of course, there's no way for me to share that. So I can publish directly from the app. I can say, right, want to go live, and bang, you're going live, alright. It will use your, let's show this here. If we go into our creator channel, then it will take me through to streaming live now. Might have to turn this down. Good thing it's muted. It's coming through reasonably clear, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, so it's going to make use of anything on this page. Whatever I put in the title, there's no description. Didn't really give me an opportunity to schedule the stream, so there's a lot of things that I'll need to do to make sure that it's all ship shape before I go live. You might have seen a week or two ago, actually no, I did this again, it was last week, when I went over to Krispy Kreme's and I produced a live show directly from Minicam, right? So that was kind of working out. But I mean, even that was a little fiddly. Had to do a few things to try and make that work. So at least with Minicam, I could click and it could take me through to a mobile, well, not a mobile page view of this, but definitely a mobile page where I could just go through and pinch zoom to get into exactly what I'm seeing there. And of course the one watcher is myself, as I am watching on the screen. But I still don't see an easy way in this app to be able to, well, here you go. Wonder if this will work. No, hang on. Turn that around. Yeah. No. I'd have to do a screen cap to show you. So that's another thing I'll have to discover. Good thing about this app though is that I can overlay widgets, so I could show, and you might be seeing this there, how many people are viewing. If there was anyone chatting, it's also going to pop up over the screen. I can send a message as well. Which just feels a little awkward if I'm doing that while I'm chatting, because I can see half of my face while I'm doing that. Oh, okay, that's cool. What else? That's about it. So it's as simple as stop and go. If I hit the menu button over here, what do we show here? It shows the editor. I wonder if that'll interrupt a live broadcast. No, still seems to be live. Got the viewer count over there, which I could drag over or up. So let's put that somewhere on the list. Okay, so event list is is showing the wet rainy Saturday, so that's where this live event is shown. I wonder if that means I could schedule a few. Yeah. Okay, what else? You'll see as I flip around you can show the portal now. So that's the chat, of course, that I'd created while I was on the phone. That's me watching, etc. Yeah, so you know, I think there's a few key things that are missing here for me. I know that I could create a live event and then I'd be able to, you know, publish it ahead of time, but what if I just wanted to go live right here, right now, and then share it with people? Not really happening. Can't really see anything here to do that with. What if I touch the, no, so that's using live. Got chat, there's stop, of course is going to stop it. I've got, I can touch the frame rate per second and changes some color. If I tap the one viewer, don't actually see who's viewing. Live actions. Ha! I wonder what that is. So there's a couple of things like widgets where I can add. Let's see if I can add this one from the mobile itself. Spin wheel. And then looks like I'll have to do that before. I think spin wheel could be quite useful in terms of you put up a couple of things saying, okay, well, what would you like me to do, or what's the next thing we're gonna have a look at, and I could spin that wheel and then you know, taking those suggestions. So that would be interesting. But yeah, I mean, it's in beta, so that's cool. Here's the dashboard, so I could get things like donations and subscribers, looking for sponsors, etc. So you know, it's really laid out for those who are into gaming and are you know, doing esports, so to speak. And over here I've got it running on my desktop. So your different scenes that you've got with OBS, they're all down the left hand side. I imported all those, and then your sources, audio. What I do need there is the advanced scene mixer, or advanced scene switcher, because I do use that for cutting between things, but it does have support for Stream Deck. Right, and that's where I actually discovered it. I thought, what's Streamlabs? And I was working in OBS Studio, and I didn't actually look at the heading, and I dragged over some Streamlabs OBS stuff and wasn't really watching because I just used source, and then it wasn't finding my sources and my scenes. I thought, oh, that's a bit odd. Having a closer look, there's some pretty cool things in this, but it's just not quite there for me yet. Probably okay for gamers who just want to go on and you know, they can go into this library and get a whole lot of really cool ready-made overlays. You know, ones that show the preview of your webcam, the chat, etc., anything else that's along the top. So all sorts of things to make the gaming look quite interesting, but yeah, nothing that I can quite bend to my will for our uses at Regarding 365 yet. Maybe I'll have a quick look. And I want to look at this mobile app because we've been looking for a way for us to go live from a mobile and then bring it into OBS like the anchor point. Meaning that, let's say we're going out and we're interviewing people from a conference and having a good chat, and then we go back to the anchor room. Is that what you call it? I don't know. And then we might be doing an interview there or introducing the next event. So we have a couple of other ways to do it. Just wanted to see if Streamlabs would make that possible. It doesn't quite look like it yet. Almost there. Anyway, that's enough of exploring. That was about 10 minutes of stuff. It's Daryl as a Service signing off from Streamlabs OBS. I'll keep an eye on this, but at the moment I'll continue to use OBS Studio. Cheers.